Yo, bitch, what's up?
Cath Franis.
Catherine Francis Kerr, we made you a fucking video. Here's a video for you. We don't really care if you like it, but you know what?
We don't give a shit.
Yeah, we just don't care. This is, you know,
Catherine, we don't care about your feelings anymore.
Sorry. We're beginning to hate you, Francis. I mean, Catherine. But
when we go to DC, train soon.
Right? He likes that
now,
train.
$39.
You paying for me, Catherine?
Yeah.
I'm not paying.
You're paying for me.
You. Pay me to come see you.
There you go. $100 train down. Crazy.
Black power.
Black power.
Song for you. For the ladies.
The ladies.
But fellas, listen closely.
Listen closely.
You don't always have to fuck her hard. In fact, sometimes that's not right to do. Sometimes you gotta make some love and fucking give her some smoochies too. Sometimes you got to squeeze. Sometimes you got to say please. Sometimes you got to say, hey, I'm gonna fuck you softly. I'm gonna screw you gently. I'm gonna hump you sweetly. I'm gonna ball you discreetly. And you say, hey, I brought you flowers. And then you say, wait a minute, Catherine, I think I got something in my teeth. Get it out for me. That's fucking teamwork.
What's your
Favorite position?
We know Catherine's.
Yeah, we do.
That's cool with me. It's not my
Favorite, but I'll do it for you.
No, we won't.
What's your
Favorite dish? I'm not gonna order it, but order it from Zanzibar.
And then I'm gonna
Love you completely. Then I'm gonna fuck you discreetly.
Really hard.
Gonna fucking bone you completely.
To the neighbors.
I'm gonna fuck you hard.
Catherine, you better like that.
I hope you like our fucking
That fucking hurt to sing.
performance. I hope you like our fucking performance.
None of their voice left.
Alright. See you, Catherine.
Peace.
Later.